Welcome to another video of mine. In this video, we will be learning about the human circulatory system. Which includes the heart. Heart is a main important organ which is fist-sized and that pumps blood throughout the body. So, it is a primary organ of the human circulatory system. So, our heart consists of four main chambers, which includes the right atrium, right ventrium, left atrium and the left ventrium. So human heart will be comprising of both the oxygenated blood as well as the deoxygenated blood. If the blood is rich in oxygen, then we say it as oxygenated blood. If the blood is less in oxygen content, then we say it as deoxygenated blood. So in one side of the heart we will be having the oxygenated blood and in the other side of the heart we will be having the deoxygenated blood. And purification of the blood is the main purpose of heart. Our blood consists of white blood cells, platelet cells, red blood cells, some fat particles, some enzymes, hormones, antibodies, so clotting factors. These are the some factors which will be present in the blood. So this blood is purified inside the heart. So the heart will be contracting and it will be relaxing. So the heart beats for about 1 lakh times per day and the heart for about 35 million times per year. So in the human body, about 5 liters of blood will be circulating every minute. So this is an internal process which happens. So the contraction of heart we say it as systole and the relaxation of the heart we say it as diastole. At first, blood enters into the heart through the right atrium. And from the right atrium, blood will flow down to the right ventrium. So this first chamber to second chamber movement happens through the valve called tricuspid valve. So tricuspid valve is a valve which facilitates the movement of the blood from the right atrium to the right ventrium. So when the right ventrium is totally full of blood, then what happens? The blood is pumped again back out to the pulmonary artery through a valve called pulmonary valve. So we have two valves. So one is the tricuspid valve and the other one is the pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve facilitates the movement of blood from the right ventrium to the pulmonary artery. So I told you already that work of the heart is nothing but purification of blood. So that purification process happens only in the pulmonary artery. So from the pulmonary artery, the blood is purified and the blood enters into the left atrium. So left atrium is a third chamber. Left atrium is full of blood, then blood flows down to the left ventrium. So this movement of blood from the left atrium to the left ventrium happens by means of a valve called mitral valve. So this is a third valve which is there inside the heart. So when the right ventrium is full, the blood flows again back to the aortic valve. Through the aortic valve, the blood moves out to all the parts of the body. So we have four valves in the heart. One is the tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve and the aortic valve. So aortic valve is a valve which facilitates movement from the right ventrium to all the parts of the body. Mitral valve facilitates movement from left atrium to the left ventrium. Tricuspid valve facilitates blood flow from the right atrium to the right ventrium. Pulmonary valve facilitates the movement of blood from the right ventrium to the pulmonary artery. So these are the main four valves in the heart and this is a working principle of the heart. The blood vessel which carries blood out of the heart is called as an artery, which carries blood into the heart is called as a vein. So this is one important thing which you have to know. Capillaries are like small branches of blood vessels, so which carries blood. So the pulmonary artery, how it purifies the blood? The pulmonary artery sends the blood to the lungs, and where the purification process happens. And again, the purified blood is returned back to the heart. So, this is the main working principle of the circulatory system and about the heart. I hope you would have found the video to be useful. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe.